Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am in school pickup line mode and I needed to come on and introduce today's video. I'm super excited. I wanted to give you some meals on a budget that we've made this week. You all seem to like this kind of thing. So if you are new here, we try and cook as healthy as we possibly can, as clean as we possibly can, and we try and do that on a budget. It's very tricky to do, especially in this economy. So I like to show you little hacks, little tips and tricks along the way of what I cook for my family of 5-ish. We have a newborn, so that's why I say 5-ish, but I need to nourish him as well, so I'm eating for 2. So I can try and leave a, I guess, put together recipe down in the comment box below, but you all know I cook with my heart. If you need specifics, just let me know and I will try and do my best to come up with a recipe. But I hope you're well wherever you are, and let's get into this week's meals. Coming out the gate with a crowd pleaser. I had leftover spaghetti noodles. I think I had some ramen in there as well, and we just combined some peas and soy sauce. We cooked it in our leftover chicken broth, and I did serve it with some steak tips, which is just stew meat that we get from the Amish store. It's super inexpensive. It's like $7, which now that I'm saying it out loud seems like a bit pricey for what we have here, but I also served it with chicken. So we've been eating on this chicken for a long time. Most of you know that I just do a big chicken in the beginning of the week and we add it to meals. So it was a bit of a hodgepodge, but it was delicious. So we'll do like Asian style noodles. That's what we're calling it. And then starting real strong once again is going to be my typical sheet pan. You will probably see this every single week, a variation of it, if you will. We have potatoes in this one. We have bell pepper and onion. And then I got the chicken sausage farmhouse cheddar that I'm just going to cut up and put that in there with some green beans. A lot of people said, because I did share this on Instagram, that this is like a PA Dutch staple, and I think it is, but I've seen sheet pans all over the place, so this honestly could be anything you want it to be.
Another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand.
Thank you to Joy Deem for sponsoring this portion of today's video. They sent over this awesome rice cooker and steamer, and we have just been loving making meals that are quick, delicious, and easy. You all know rice is a huge staple in my household, and this is really an incredible product. You know, I have been trying to get toxins out of our systems, and this is great because it has the stainless steel pot and the coating free gluten-free design ensures no worries about peeling, and it's making it safe and healthy. It's perfect for health-conscious families like ourselves. There's an innovative non-stick technology. It combines precise temperature control with a built-in fan and 200,000 micropits. The stainless steel inner pot forms a water film at the end of rice cooking for a healthy non-stick effect. This design retains the benefits of stainless steel while ensuring easy cleaning, making everyday cooking effortless. It has an 8 smart menu function, and it's equipped with versatile menu options including quick rice, white rice, mixed grains, steams, soups, multigrain congees, and the reheat functions. It's catering towards various family dietary preferences, which is pretty incredible, and its durable and scratch resistant panel ensures long lasting use and easy cleaning, adding convenience to our daily cooking. So I'm just rinsing my rice here, but the family-friendly 3-liter capacity can cook 6 cups of uncooked rice, approximately 8 bowls of cooked rice, 4 cups of uncooked mixed grains, or 1 cup of porridge, making it ideal for families of 2 to 6 people. Perfectly suited for small households or gatherings as well. And there's a retro cream style design. It features a stylish retro cream colored exterior, and the electric rice cooker is compact and space saving, and it perfectly complements our modern kitchen aesthetic. I ended up mixing bone broth with my rice, and it's super simple. The lines on the inner pot here just make it easy to measure everything out depending on how much rice you want to cook or grains or whatnot. So I'm just showing you here that I am using the quick rice start, and the steam here can be pretty warm, so just watch out for that, but that is right there, and it goes towards the end of the cycle. And if you want to add your broccoli, you're just going to open this here, and I steamed my broccoli for right around 7 minutes, and it worked out well. We served ours with some soy sauce, salt and pepper, and some grilled chicken, but I'm excited to experiment with other meals in here. Cooking rice was always a challenge for me, and I purchase it so often being a budget-friendly household, so this just makes it easy. I can just set it and forget it while I'm doing other things around the house, and then dinner is on the table. Super easy for busy moms and just about anybody. So big shout to Joy Deem for making a product I didn't think I needed, but this has been pretty incredible, just being this extra set of hands basically in the kitchen to feed my family. So as you can see, perfect rice every time. I've never made rice this good in my life, and if you enjoy some added nutrition, try out that bone broth because it's pretty delicious, and it's grass-fed, grass-finished, and it's at a great price. So I'm having some tea here just to wind down for the night, and I paired mine with some grass-fed butter and, like I said, a little bit of soy sauce. And then the next night, I had half a bag of macaroni and 2 potatoes left. I'm trying to save my cellar storage potatoes for a rainy day, so I've just been buying potatoes at the store. The 10-pound bags right now are on sale for $4.24. They're a rollback at my Walmart, so check that out. Right around the holidays, potatoes go on sale, and so do carrots. So I just mixed those two together, and then I did some ground turkey here, some bell pepper and onion. I have this Tex-Mex enchilada sauce that I got for 25 cents at Sharp Shopper because it was on sale, but then it also had a dent in it, so it was like extra on sale. So I was telling my husband this literally costs under $4 to feed our family of 5-ish, and we had leftovers, and then he had lunch the next day. So I think that's pretty good. You could even leave out the cheese here. You could add some beans to make this really extra, but I just didn't. Sometimes I do that. I get carried away. I just keep adding things that I know my family will love and I know will make us full. And maybe, I don't know, maybe there's magic to that because I do typically stay on budget when it comes to our food, and I don't think I compromise the taste, and I don't compromise our health most of the time. Like I said, we're 80-20, so this was really delicious. I just mixed everything together, and then I topped it with cheese, and I baked it uncovered for 20 minutes, maybe 25, and went about our day. You could serve this with cornbread. Really, you could go anywhere with this, but it's one of those hot dishes that is so versatile, and I'm excited that I threw in those elbow noodles because it did make, it allowed my 2-year-old to eat because she thought it was macaroni. And then the next night we did the super easy one I do almost every week, and it's that frozen pasta from Whole Foods, but it could be like frozen tortellini. And then I did some ground beef in there and called it good. This serves all of us, but sometimes we have leftovers, not all the time. And then last week, if you don't remember, I did those scalloped potatoes, and I featured this on the other channel, but I had a lot of them to use up. So for my Sunday crock pot, I did some beans, some bell pepper, some onions, and those potatoes. And you probably are catching on to a theme here. A lot of the dishes this week were just this, like a beef and a starch, and we went from there. So I will say a lot of our weeks look the same. If you're new here, you have to check back onto my videos. I give a lot of tips and tricks, and one of them is really just adapting to your own budget, really figuring out what your family is actually going to eat and then making it into so many different things. So we do a lot of leftovers, we do a lot of the same foods, and I try and jazz it up, but I always end up coming back to these recipes. So as usual, our breakfasts are eggs from the coop and toast, or if we want to, we do sausage or something like that. We're not really sweets in the morning type of people. We just try and go heavy on the protein. And then lunches are usually leftovers, or sometimes we'll just have a sandwich or salad, nothing thrilling. I used to make these elaborate meal plans for lunch, and then I realized what we truly ate were basically leftovers or munchies from everywhere. Honestly, we are eating most of the same things throughout the week, and I do try and jazz it up for the sake of this channel, but sometimes you just stick with what you know. So I would love to hear what you made this week. Welcome if you're new. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I'll catch you soon. Bye, y'all.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here.